Stand on your feet please. Look down and come back to look straight forward. Do this a few times. Now, bend over to the right as if to see outside of the right thigh and come back to look straight forward a few times. Now, bend over to the left as if to see outside of the left thigh and come back to look straight forward a few times. Do you feel any differences between the sides? Lie on your back please. Feel your entire back. Feel how the back contacts with the floor. Which part of the back or thoracic cage contacts the floor solidly, firmly? Is it the left side? Or right side? Is it the upper part of the cage? Or lower part? Feel the length of the spine. Which part of the spine is away from the floor? Which part is closer? Rest please. Stand the left leg and leave the right leg long. Push the floor gently slowly with the foot a few times. Is there any change with the pressure on the body touching the floor? Which part of the ribs touches the floor more? Which part of the ribs lifts away from the floor? Do it this way. As you push the floor with the left foot, the left side of lower ribs lift from the floor, and at the same time, the right side of the upper ribs comes down to the floor. So the movement propagates to the up and opposite side, contralaterally, in other words. Does the right shoulder come closer to the floor? Does the head turn to the right a little bit? Rest with legs and arms long. Simply turn your head to the right and return a few times. Stop there next time you look right. Again, push the left leg and let the lower left ribs lifted and upper right ribs lowered to the floor as we did a minute ago. Are the ribs moving easier than before? Rest. Now turn your head to the other direction. Left and stay there. Make the same movement with the leg and the ribs. Does the head direction make it more difficult? Rest. Once again, lift your lower left ribs and lower upper right ribs and stay there. Now, turn your head to the left and the right gently slowly a few times. Now, return the head to the center. And make the movement of ribs a few times. Is it easier now? Rest. Stand on your feet, please. Try the same movement we did in the beginning. Look down and come back to look straight forward. Do this a few times. Any difference? Now, bend over to the right as if to see outside of the right thigh and come back to look straight forward a few times. Any difference? Now, bend over to the left as if to see outside of the left thigh and then come back to look straight forward a few times. Do you feel any differences between the sides? Is it different from the beginning of the lesson?